guys, just came out with the Infraction again today. I've done nothing really since the last time you seen it. It's got a new body on it, but that was just basically, I gave my missus a shot, and she's driving about fine. She's actually usually really good with the cars, but she had a little accident, clipped the curb, and it ripped off the front end of the body a little bit at the corner. So it wasn't absolutely disastrous, but I just couldn't really handle looking at it, so I had to get a new shell. It drives me insane. I like the car to be perfect, but it was basically out for a little play today. Only other addition actually I forgot to say that I've done is, you'll not see it today, but it's got underglow neons on it now, so when I do a night run with that and the titanium sliders, I think that should be quite cool. Hopefully I'll get that up at some point fairly soon. But suspension wise, I've lowered the car right down at the back. As you can see, it's pretty slammed. In the front, it's still pretty low, but I've raised the front up just a tad, so it sounds like a bit of a weird setup having a higher front and lower back. But I done it initially for basically the titanium sliders, so they would start sort of hitting the ground a lot more often and frequent. But it turns out I think the handling is just actually better for it for some reason. So what I've been doing today is I've got a set of cones and things, been playing about, just practicing my driving skills, going in and out the cones, bits of rip up and down, a bit of play, and I've had a GoPro on the back yet, so when I get home hopefully I'll see if it's got some sparks coming up and stuff off the back wing, and got some sort of front facing for the back as well. So basically just my normal kind of video, just the car ripping around and having fun. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you do, please subscribe, and yeah, there's loads of big things to come for this car pretty soon. I'm really getting, I don't know, I've just got the love for this thing right back, and I want to do so much to it. So before I do anything motor wise or anything like that, there's lots of additions I want to do first, and every time I get one obviously I'll put a video up and show you guys what I'm doing. But by the time I'm finished with this Infraction, I want it to be something really special. So like I said, hope you enjoy this, and I'll catch up with you guys soon.